This happened along the border with China's Tibet region. The video is from a border crossing that was overwhelmed by that wall of water, rock and mud. Officials think the flash flooding may have been triggered when part of a glacier broke off and then crashed to the valley below. The U.S. Geological Survey also reported a magnitude 5.2 earthquake in that region this morning. At least 331 foreigners, including Indians, Americans, and British nationals, are missing. The United Nations is helping with relief efforts.